Hi, everyone, and welcome to our channel all about Wix. Today, we will talk about Wix Studio's site level CRM tools. Site level meaning you'll be able to manage customers and workflows on an individual site. So, here's how you can access them and how you can use them. On your workspace, go to the Sites drop down at the top and select the site that you want to work on. You'll then be taken to its dashboard. There are four CRM tools you can access here on the dashboard: contacts, inbox, automations, and email marketing. However, unlike the workspace level CRM tools, they cannot be found in one place. But here's how you can locate each of them on your dashboard. Let's start with contacts. You can access your contacts by going to Customers and Leads on the left and select Contacts. Here, you'll be able to see your contact list and manage them. If you click on the More Actions button at the top, here you'll be able to manage custom fields, manage labels, create tasks and reminders, create workflows, configure site member settings, test site flows, and see privacy and data protection. This is also where you can create a new contact either manually or by importing them. Next, let's talk about Inbox. You can access your inbox simply here on the upper right. This is where you can handle and manage your messages, emails, etc. Next, let's move on to automations. You can simply find automations here on the left panel as well. Here, you'll be able to set up automatic workflows to save you time and focus more on important things. And finally, let's talk about email marketing. Go to Getting Traffic and go to Email Marketing. You can use this for your email marketing campaigns and reach your audience with branded emails. You can use templates here, or you can create one from scratch. And that's it. Those are the CRM tools that you can access on your site's dashboard. So go ahead and utilize them in order to boost your business. That's it for today, guys. We hope you found this video of help. Thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.